Hey again, YouTube. We're here going to change out the RAM on my laptop. It's a Dell 6430. Real simple. So let's. RAM memory in a laptop will be located somewhere on the bottom side. Very first thing we need to do is take out the battery. Then locate the screws that will allow you to access the bottom. This particular laptop has 5 screws shown here. We'll go ahead and take those out. On this particular laptop, the hard drive is located on this side over here. It may not be necessary to take it out, but just to be safe, we'll go ahead and remove it. Next, we just simply remove the back panel of the laptop. This one lifts from the battery compartment forward because there are several tabs on the back of the unit, as you can see here. The RAM memory is located right here. It's very simple. There's 2 tabs on either side that you just separate and it lifts right out. This was a 4 gig module. It's going to be replaced with a new 8 gig high-speed module. And we simply just put it in the same way that we took the other one out. It slides right into the slot firmly and clips down. And that's all we need to do. Just replace the back panel. Make sure to insert your hard drive and reinsert all of the screws just like you took them out. Replace the battery and you should be good to go. The process is the same on most laptops. On this one we had to take off the whole back panel, but some have a special compartment. You have to remove 2, maybe 3 screws in order to access the RAM modules. It makes it a lot easier, but the process is basically the same. So thanks for watching, YouTube, and subscribe, tell your friends.